Chapter 10, Mastering the Phantom, the Path to Consistent Profitability. After exploring the depths of liquidity, identifying hidden zones, and understanding the stealthy moves of institutional traders, it's time to bring all the pieces together. This final chapter is about mastery, the ability to see through the market's illusions and act with confidence, capturing the essence of liquidity. Understanding the phantom's patterns. Liquidity isn't just a concept, it's a behavior, a pulse that drives market movement. To master it, you must not only recognize its presence, but anticipate its next move. The market often tests traders' emotions, using liquidity grabs to trigger fear or greed before revealing its true intention. This is where most traders get trapped, but those who see the phantom understand the difference between genuine breakouts and false moves designed to shake the weak hands. Refining your entry and exit strategy. Successful trading isn't about predicting every market move, but positioning yourself where the phantom is likely to strike. This means focusing on 1. Key liquidity zones. Understanding where the most significant liquidity sits and how it can be targeted by institutions. 2. Institutional order flow. Recognizing the footprints left by big players as they prepare to absorb liquidity. 3. Risk management. Protecting capital by aligning your trades with the market's deeper structure, reducing the impact of sudden liquidity grabs. Turning the invisible into profit. The phantom's influence is most potent in areas where retail traders are least prepared. Stop hunts, liquidity voids, and false breakouts. To profit from these moves, you need to think like an institution. Understand that the market's primary goal is to create and fill liquidity, not just follow technical levels. Adapt and evolve. Markets change, and so should your approach. Refine your strategy as you gain more experience with liquidity dynamics. Patience and discipline. Wait for the market to reveal its intentions instead of chasing every small move. Conclusion: becoming a phantom trader. To truly master liquidity, you must become a part of the market's unseen rhythm. This means moving without fear, just like the phantom itself. Seeing beyond the surface, understanding the deeper game being played. Trusting in your analysis, refined through experience and observation. Trading with the phantom isn't just a strategy, it's a mindset, a way of seeing the market that transcends simple price action. With this knowledge, you are no longer the hunted, but the hunter, using the phantom's power to your advantage. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means a lot, and it helps me create even better content for you. See you in the next video.